that cold water? Cold. Milo, what are you doing in there? It's too cold to be playing in the water. Brrr. This is rainwater from yesterday. Brrr. September 2nd. Oh! Did you fall in the water? Brrr! It's coldy cold. It's maybe 70 degrees out right now. Feels really good though. Too cold for playing in the water. Milo! Hey. Milo, aren't you freezing? Oh. Psst. Oh my goodness. We might be having an early bath time. It's only 9:30. Are we gonna have to take a bath later? Milo. He's watching himself in the window. Brrr! Oh, stinker. Still will never look at the camera. Okay, say bye.